Hi, in today's tutorial I will be taking you through the process of creating all of this using the new Princeton brush. Today I'm going to unbox this Princeton round brush. This is the size 6 one that I got, and I picked this off Amazon for about $7.50. You could check other websites and other stores in your country or your destination, which works best for you. So the feel of it is really good. It is quite sturdy, and the tip is really nice. Normally your brushes will come with a very sharp tip because it is glued together. All you need to do is just put this in water and you will notice that it becomes a little more flexible to use. I'm going to now mix in some green color to create some leaves. Let's see how it goes with this brush. The first thing I notice is it's really easy and simple. The brush, the bristles hold good amount of color and water, which is perfect to create floral art. That's something that I'm really happy about, because in some brushes that we have, even if it is size 6 or size 8, like you guys must be knowing, different brushes have different holding capacity in terms of the water, and not all size 6 of this different brands are going to be same. So far I really like the feel of this brush. We're going to now try and create another type of flower. So far what I feel is it's very easy to maneuver this brush. For different kinds of painting, different kinds of brushes are needed. So if you use a mop brush which has a very big belly, it will be very easy to create landscape paintings, and also some kind of specific flowers which are really easy to create. So round brushes are very good to create leaves and these kind of flowers which are smaller in size. So if you want to do the same thing on a larger scale, you might have to switch to a mop brush. One really good thing I have noticed about this brush is that you can use the tip to create really thin lines, and you can use the belly to create really fat portions, which is very good for creating these leaves and also these flowers. I always prefer to keep my watercolor brushes and my acrylic brushes separate. This helps me to prolong the life of my brushes, and also it in case I leave out some paints onto my brushes in terms of acrylics, it's not going to damage my brushes, so I'll still have two different sets. So this is something that I would definitely recommend you to try out. With these 4 experiments, I have noticed that I can create thick leaves, I can create circular florals, I can create lotus, and I can also create really thin lines using my brush. So it is pretty versatile that way. This means I don't have to keep shifting my brush each time, and I can control how much of water this needs to hold at a time, which is very good. So this is something that I'm really happy that I ended up buying. So I'm creating now some more florals to just add to the look, and it's making me feel really happy to see this completed look. I will leave the link of this brush in the description box. Do consider subscribing to my channel so you can get further updates whenever I put up more tutorials. Thank you.